Join our thrilling drone flight for a high-speed, first-person racing experience. Let's go, Fung guys!
That's the E-Machine. It's the 360 Pro, I think is what it's called, but it's got the 2300 kV motors on it. A little bit there. Very fast racing drones, 5-inch. So we've got our little button antenna, and then I've got my wacky little cheapo Solo Good. Actually not a bad setup for first person video, but it is a cheaper setup. So if you're looking to get into it, the hobby for a reasonable amount, this is about $380, I believe. And I got it on Amazon Prime, and these were about $100. And this came separate for, I believe, $50. And then you got to put all your stuff in. You got to put your controller in with it. You know, the usual. But very fast little drone. We're at the park. I'm gonna go ahead and get it up. Danielle and Lily and Max are right over there. We're setting up her photo camera drone, and she's gonna try and get us some footage while we rip this thing around this big park. You know, try and get some good hole shots. So stay tuned. Should be fun. All right, goggles are on. Those on her head this second. It's been a while since I've done this, so we need to turn the control on first. Here's the gun. Gotta have our throttle all the way down. Alright, so arm the chopper. Alright. Got good signal, good power. Alright. Oh, I can see you in here. Look at that.
No, I don't think you can. I can.
Alright, going in the headset. You might want to back up just a little bit.
If that comes at me, I'm gonna punch it.
Alright, that's armed. I think I'm gonna move a little bit too. Ready?
Yeah.
Where's the pipe? Over here. Nervous. Ready?
Yeah. Oh God. Punch!
overhead right now. Camera's getting some really nice footage. Love that it's color, not black and white. Really color camera on this. Getting down to about that battery. If I haven't said this.
Bring it down, man.
So it kind of helps pull on your face a little. Not quite as good as some of those other ones, but for a beginner, solo good. I would recommend it. It's nice. No black and white. You got color. Oh, and it comes with this case. You just tear down your antennas, packs right up. Gotta love it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, comment below. I've got lots of airplanes. I've got rock crawlers, RC trucks, mudders. We've got some boats. Let me know. You want to see it? Comment below.